What is up, guys? Welcome to Crown Rick Auto. Today we're going to be searching a Ford Explorer SUV that just got dropped off. I am super excited about that, but first, and let me show you what I got in the mail today. Vegas license plates. I know they're different, but this will have to do for now because I'm having trouble finding the government Nevada plates. And I know it's taking super long for the new Vegas police car project, but it's gonna be worth it. Today we're gonna be searching this 2016 Ford Explorer SUV Interceptor utility. We're gonna be searching for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment. We're gonna be taking it apart, pulling out the engine, using it for parts, just like we did to the Lake County Sheriff's vehicle. Here is the engine and transmission out of that 2008 Lake County Sheriff's. Nothing gets wasted. Every little piece gets back into action. Right over here, this partitioner is going into this soon-to-be security car. Around here, they call me Dr. Crown Vic Rick because I be doing surgery on these cars and getting them back on the road. We are gonna search for that biscuit. I took the hubcaps off. They're the ones that go on the Taurus Interceptor sedan, but I don't know where to put them at. Ooh, and look at this. What is that? I'm seeing goodies. Right at the top we have antennas, and we got this shark fin antenna. It was actually in service not that long ago. Unfortunately, it was this accident right here that took it out of commission. The engine and transmission are intact. All right, I'm gonna start from the front, work my way to the back. Let's take a quick look inside. Ace of spades. Looks like some sort of dagger. Ooh, a lighter and a bullet. Looks like a 9mm bullet. Somebody once told me that police do not use Full Metal Jacket bullets, but the evidence seems to suggest otherwise. Whoa, what the heck was that? Holy crap, let's try that again. Whoa, dude, that's a freaking flamethrower. Found flamethrower, not clickbait. These damn trucks. See what else is in there. Car spaghetti, and attached to the car spaghetti seems like some sort of light. There's two of them right here. Let me go check these out. Let me go get my snippers. A little bit of snipping later. All right, testing the first light. Nice. Second light. Now both of them together. Twinning, double winning. Motorola MDVR, some type of recording device here. I'm gonna be putting all the goodies right there. Watch guard. This is an actual microphone. All these plugs in here. Etiquette paper on serving search warrants. The officer must have a valid search warrant. Does that mean sometimes they're not valid? Flashlight that's not working. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
All of our representatives are currently busy. Please stay on the line, and your call will be answered by the next available representative.
Anyways. Ooh, lucky dollar. Safety with respect. That's what she said. All right, let's take a look over here. Please be biscuit. Safety stuff here. This is an eye wash. Oh, sweet. Cat tourniquet. I have like a collection of these now. See, it says August 12, 2015. Does that mean it expired or something? Athlete's foot anti-fungus cream. Looks like there's none left. Oh, an antenna. Oh, what? Ah. Let's see here. This is a Motorola XTS 5000. See if it turns on. Oh wait, right here. Woo! Huh? Holy crap! TAC 3, TAC 2 still has battery life to it. Too bad it's too far away for me to hear anything. Control, this is Rick, the Cop Car Explorer. I just want to let you guys know I'm going to go ahead and be taking my lunch over. Just kidding, guys. This will not reach. I'm going to go ahead and call that number right here and return it. This was super camouflaging. Sweet mother of all goodness. Haven't seen one of these in a while. Let's see, Panasonic CF19. I don't even remember how to turn this thing on anymore. Oh, right here, right here. Come on, baby, come on, come on. Oh, sweet. Snow operator. Oh yeah, starting windows. I forgot how to twist this thing. I know. Oh, maybe this is not the kind that twists this. Oh, there we go. Oh, look, there's a camera back here. 7% remaining. Nice. Nice. Movie car, maybe? The Vegas project? I don't know. Mystery box? I'll have to think about it. Guys, I really missed the movie car. I added these window bars right here. I have an all-in-one video coming soon. Check it out. That's looking so clean. Ooh. All right, let's take a look in the back uniform of... Okay, so there's a top and bottom. This is the real deal. Cool, I want to try it on. Ugh, I'm feeling all itchy. There was like a freaking spider in there. Ooh, whoa, it's like, there it goes. It's not it. What? Are you freaking kidding me right now? White Claw? Seriously? White Claw? Seriously? What has this world come to where I find White Claw in a police car? I'm gonna put this thing to the test. Tastes like water. It tastes like no alcohol in here. Ooh, let me show you guys this other thing I found. It is a Federal Signal Target. It's missing the cover of it. Let me show you how it looks. White Claw. Don't make me laugh. Some light with no name on it. Check this out in a second. Trying to get to this slim lighter real quick. Looks like it's gonna need some unbolting. I'll be right back. I locked myself in here. Hilarious. I gotta crawl out of here. This is a Wheelin' Slim Lighter. Sweet red and blue. Very nice. I got so many lights I can start my own police force. Let's test out the other one. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look in the back. Please be a biscuit. Thank you everybody out there wishing for me to find a biscuit. I really appreciate it. Right now it looks like we're gonna find a water biscuit. Seriously. See if there's anything of value in here. Toothbrush, a slimy one. Sweet. Sound off. Rear. Oh, that's still on. Oops. Killed my battery. It looks like this connects to that other wire there. I don't want to cut it. Look at this thing. What the heck? It's supposed to go down, but it's like stuck. And there is a box of powder-free black nitrate gloves. Let me go grab that real quick. Let's see, what is this first? These are like marker tents, like measure distance, kind of like the evidence tents type thing, I guess. Let's get to that box. Is that cocaine? Why was that so difficult to do? I freaking hurt myself trying to get this box out. Looks like a score though. Looks like code 3 microcom 2. Nice. Upgrade. Needs new power board. Okay. More. Some shells, microphones or mics. Sweet. That's it. Awesome. And somebody suggested that I shoot up the FBI van to see if it's really bulletproof or not. And I said no. They kept saying yes. But the answer, buddy, is no. I will not make the mistake. I will not make the same mistake I made with the movie car.